Your car looks dirty 2 days after washing it. Your paint is covered in swirl marks you cannot explain, and your interior smells like something died in the vents, yet you have been cleaning it regularly. Here is the truth. In most cases, you are not cleaning wrong because you are lazy. You are cleaning wrong because nobody ever showed you the right way. In this video, I will reveal 15 Japanese car cleaning hacks that almost nobody in the West knows about. Techniques used by people whose 20-year-old vehicles still look fresh off the lot. And do not skip the last one. It is a method so simple and so effective that professional detailers would genuinely prefer you never found out about it. Let us get into it. Number 1. Rice water cleans your interior plastic. I know exactly what you are thinking. Stick with me. In Japan, leftover rice water, the starchy liquid you drain off after rinsing uncooked rice, has been used as a gentle household cleaning agent for centuries. Applied to interior plastics and vinyl with a microfiber cloth, it cleans without stripping the surface texture. It leaves a light, natural anti-static layer, and it does not leave the greasy residue that most commercial interior dressings leave behind. The worst part about those shiny aerosol dressings sold at auto stores? They attract dust like magnets, and they make your steering wheel feel like a hockey puck in an emergency. Rice water costs you nothing, and it leaves plastic looking naturally clean, not shellacked. Try it once, and you will never reach for that aerosol can again. Number 2. Toothpaste removes paint scratches. Most people rush to the body shop the moment they spot a scratch, ready to spend $150 to $400 on a professional buff. Japanese owners reach for something sitting in their bathroom cabinet: plain white, non-gel toothpaste, applied with a damp microfiber cloth in the small circular motions, then buffed off with a clean, damp cloth. It can eliminate light surface scratches and scuff marks from your clear coat entirely. The science is straightforward. Toothpaste contains fine abrasive particles. They work like a very mild polishing compound, gently leveling the edges of the scratch so light no longer catches on them. I tried this on a key scuff I had ignored for 3 months. 3 minutes of work, and it was gone. Now here is the line most people miss. This only works on scratches that have not broken through the clear coat. Run your fingernail across the scratch. If it catches, toothpaste alone will not fix it. If your nail glides smoothly, you are dealing with a clear coat scratch, and toothpaste will handle it. Apply a small amount. Work in tight circles with light pressure. Wipe clean. Repeat if needed. Then follow up with a coat of spray wax to seal the area you just lightly abraded. Body shop for a clear coat scratch? Never again. Number 3. Damp newspaper beats any glass cleaner. The industry has convinced you that cleaning glass is complicated. Japanese grandmothers have been using damp newspaper for decades. Here is why it works. Newsprint is slightly abrasive at a microscopic level. Not enough to scratch glass, but enough to break the surface tension of grime and water spots without leaving lint or streaks. Paper towels leave fibers. Microfiber cloths, if not perfectly clean, leave smears. A sheet of slightly damp newspaper, followed by a dry sheet, leaves glass so clear it is almost alarming. One caveat: use it on the outside only. For interior glass, which develops film from off-gassing plastics, apply proper glass cleaner to the cloth. Never spray it directly onto the glass. Number 4. Bamboo vinegar kills odors for good. Most car air fresheners mask odors with synthetic fragrance. Japanese car care philosophy treats this as failure. You did not solve the problem. You buried it under something that smells like a pine forest. Fermented bamboo vinegar, known as mokusaku, is used in Japan as a natural deodorizer that binds to odor-causing molecules and neutralizes them at the source. A small dish left in the car overnight handles musty, food, and smoke odors more completely than any hanging cardboard tree. It is available online, it is inexpensive, and it is non-toxic. Many synthetic air fresheners off-gas chemicals. Those chemicals contribute to the film buildup on your windshield. The same film that turns oncoming headlights into a dangerous blur at night. Number 5. White vinegar mist prevents water spots. After drying your car completely, apply a light mist of diluted white vinegar, roughly a 10% solution in distilled water, across the paint and glass. Then immediately buff it off with a clean microfiber cloth. White vinegar is mildly acidic. It neutralizes alkaline mineral deposits before they bond to the surface. It does not replace wax or sealant. It works alongside them as a final neutralizing step. Critical detail: always use distilled water. Tap water contains the same minerals you are trying to fight. Distilled water costs about $1 per gallon at most grocery stores. This is one of the cheapest and most overlooked steps in any cleaning routine, and almost no one in the West is doing it. Number 6, always mist before wiping. There is a bird dropping on your hood. You grab a dry cloth and wipe. You just drag grit across your clear coat in a long, curved scratch. In Japan, this is understood at a cultural level. You never touch dry paint with dry fabric. Ever. Always have a quick detailer spray on hand. One light mist. Let it dwell for 5 seconds. Then wipe. The lubricant encapsulates the grit. The cloth glides instead of drags. Professional polishing can cost hundreds of dollars. A bottle of quick detailer costs around $8. The math is not complicated. Number 7, skip the midday wash. A sunny Saturday morning feels perfect for washing your car. It is not. When water droplets sit on a hot panel under direct sun, they act like magnifying lenses. They bake mineral deposits into your clear coat. Permanent water spot etching can look like sandpaper under proper light. The rule is simple. Wash in shade, wash in the early morning, or wash in the evening. Your clear coat cannot survive what you keep putting it through. Number 8, add a third bucket. You have heard of the 2-bucket wash method? 1 bucket for soap, 1 bucket for rinsing your mitt. Serious Japanese detailers use a third bucket, plain water, for a pre-rinse before the mitt returns to the soap bucket. This is contamination control at a surgical level. Every pass of your wash mitt picks up fine grit. If that grit returns to your soap bucket, your next pass becomes a sanding block. 3 buckets. It is not obsessive, it is correct. Number 9, blow air before you vacuum. Most people vacuum first. Japanese detailers use compressed air first. Blow debris out of vents, seams, and crevices, then vacuum. It is the same logic as blowing dust off a keyboard before wiping it. You do not need an industrial compressor. A $15 electric air duster works perfectly. The result is an interior that is actually clean, not just clean looking. Number 10, use cold water on stains. This mistake causes permanent damage. If you spill food or blood, your instinct is hot water. That is wrong. Heat sets protein-based stains permanently into fabric fibers. Cold water, applied immediately, blotting only, never scrubbing. Always work from the outside inward. A stain treated correctly in the first 2 minutes disappears quickly. The same stain treated with heat may never leave. Number 11, clay bar before every wax. Wax applied over contaminated paint does not bond to clear coat. It bonds to contamination. That means it wears off faster and protects less. Before any wax or sealant, clay bar the surface. Remove industrial fallout, brake dust, and overspray. The surface should feel like glass. If it feels like sandpaper, you are waxing over dirt. Every single time. Number 12, wax the door jambs too. Almost nobody does this. Door jambs are exposed to dirt and moisture every time you open the door. They are also one of the first areas buyers inspect. A quick spray wax pass takes 90 seconds. It protects painted metal, it prevents premature oxidation, and it preserves resale value. Number 13, condition your rubber seals. Rubber door seals dry out, crack, and harden over time. Japanese owners clean them with a light application of rubbing alcohol, then immediately apply a purpose-made rubber conditioner. Do this at least once per year before temperatures drop. Replacement seals can cost $80 to $300. A bottle of conditioner costs about $6. Number 14, bag your wash mitts for laundry. Never throw microfiber mitts loose into the washing machine. They will collect metal and plastic particles from other clothing. Always wash them inside mesh laundry bags, separately from other laundry. Use liquid detergent only, never powder, never fabric softener. A $2 mesh bag protects a $40 mitt. Use it every time. Number 15, inspect under raking light. After every wash and detail, inspect your car under a single bright LED light held at a low angle. Daylight hides swirl marks. It hides missed wax. It hides fine scratches. Low-angle light reveals everything. The first time you do this, you will be uncomfortable. That discomfort is the beginning of real improvement. That is the Japanese philosophy. Not just for cleaning cars, but for caring about anything worth keeping.